How to disable surrender in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the left, there are different options. Simply select on in match. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called automatically decline surrender. So you can tap on it and enable it. So there are different situations where your teammates and even you will be able to surrender the game and the opponent will win the game. But if you enable this feature, there won't be any surrender. You can fight it till the end until you lose it completely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.